Programming shouldn't be boring. Let's play a coding games puzzle today. Hi, let's play and solve a puzzle titled Network Cabling by Codingame. I'm Anatol and you're watching the good parts of the front-end development. If this is your first time here, you wanna learn front-end and JavaScript, start now by subscribing and don't forget to turn on the subtitles. The story tells. Today, you're in charge of linking a series of individual houses to the general network. Problem is, before leaving the facilities, your scatterbrain of a colleague has forgotten a major part of the cable soils. So, guess you'll have to manage to use the shortest possible length of cable. This puzzle makes you grasp the basics of optimizing a value and handle mathematical concepts like average, median, etc. To win this game, I need to find an optimal layout of cabling in order to connect all houses. It is calculated as a sum of the distances between the buildings on the border along the x-axis and the distances from house to house along y-axis. Let's dive into the code. Read the building's coordinates. Create a list of x and y coordinates for each house. Print the results using an approach mentioned above for the distance. That's pretty easy, isn't it? Next time, let's have a look at Mayan calculation and string manipulation in JavaScript. My code is available on GitHub, documentation is available in the internet. Follow the links if you're eager to get more. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and dive deeper.